Hey everyone, welcome. We have another product update video for you this week. Today we're going to walk you through a couple of changes in Musho and also a few updates in Lummi. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I want to walk you through how experimental mode generations are not going to be public via the showcase. Meaning that, same as we did with landing pages, where at the end of the generation you get a link to look at this public generation, you can also do the same thing with experimental mode. So to share that with you, I'm going to add a prompt for an e-commerce page. So let's see what happens. While this is generating, let's take you to Lummi to share with you our newest updates. Okay, so here's Lummi. Remember that you can use Lummi as a plugin or you can just use our site. And the change that I want to share with you today is the fact that each of our images now comes with a description, a title, and also has some tags. And we can also click on the tags and find more related images, which is really cool. But of course, if you're looking to contribute, you're going to be able to fill out a form and contact us if you want to submit your images to Lummi. But say that you are already a contributor, and I'm going to walk you through how you can actually upload images into Lummi. Okay, so I'm logged in and I can now see this button to upload my images. So when I click on that, it said that I can drag and drop my images in here, or I can choose files. And I have a couple of suggestions here to make the images super, super big, best quality as possible. It says that I can upload up to 100 images at once. And of course, no images, violence or hate. So as a creator, I can actually select my file and then I can add all of them into Lummi. So let's see this one in here. It's going to generate a name and I can edit that name. I can also edit the description. It's giving me a color palette, and this is super cool because we're going to be able to filter images by color palettes. And I can also add new tags, or I can delete any ones that I don't find as relevant. Same with the categories, and it's also going to give me orientation. So in the future, we're going to make sure that your results in both Musho and Lummi are relevant depending on the type of layout in your landing page or in your website. So we're not going to submit these. We're just going to go back into experimental mode, and we can see now that the page has stopped generating. All of the images in here are built in Lummi and then added into Musho. It does it automatically, but then you can always change them to a Stable Diffusion image or a DALL-E one if you want to create one from scratch. And it even has those little cards to add to cart, which is great. But what I want to talk to you about is how at the end of this generation, I can visit this page and I can even see the prompt and copy it. And this is great. I can share this with my friends. I can copy this prompt if I want to try it again, or I can click on going private if I want to, which just means that I have to upgrade first. So thank you so much for joining us today. Let us know if you have any feedback in the comments, and we'll be back next week.